Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. There's a call for developers to construct more purpose-built spaces in Jamaica. CEO of the Jamaica Special Economic Zones Authority, Dr. Eric Deans, says the country is losing potential investors because of a shortage of specialized spaces.
If there's space available in the Dom Rep or Costa Rica or Panama, they end up going there because they have an urgent need to start or relocate their business. You see what's happening now in terms of the trade war with China and the USA. Yeah. There are many companies who are looking to relocate, right? But they're not thinking of building. They're thinking of, I need a space to lease for 5 years, for 10 years, and I need to move now. The biggest impediment to the growth of the sector has been a shortage of space. We need a few good developers. We need people who are willing to come out and take the risk, take the big, bold, disruptive step, and go into the development of a special economic zone.
And it's not just for the business process outsourcing industry. Dr. Deans says the spaces are needed to facilitate investments in various industries.
And there are 10 industries which are excluded, but everything else is allowed. Right. So literally, you have a wide playing field in terms of what industries, as a developer, you can attract into your zone.
The JMMB Group has delisted its shares from the Barbados Stock Exchange. The Financial Services Commission of Barbados approved the move, and shares were officially delisted on Tuesday. On Tuesday, the group also opened its additional public offer of ordinary shares. The company is offering over 266 million shares to investors in Jamaica as well as Trinidad and Tobago in an effort to raise $10 billion. It says the proceeds will be used to support the growth of its regional businesses and allow it to pursue strategic investment opportunities. Members of the Illinois Black Chamber of Commerce have expressed interest in establishing a partnership with the local ganja industry. This was announced recently by State Minister in the Ministry of Industry and Commerce, Floyd Green. The chamber has been working with JAMPRO to develop a bilateral trading partnership involving its members as well as individuals and companies in Jamaica. The organization says its aim is to establish lucrative markets for Jamaican agro-products in Illinois and the Midwest. Illinois medical marijuana has seen significant interest following changes in the state's laws that allow the consumption and sale of marijuana in legal marketplace. There will be a full legalization of the plant on January 1, 2020. In Wednesday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 1,223 points to close at almost 500,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 67 stocks, of which 28 advanced, 29 declined, and 10 traded firm. The Junior Market Index advanced by 4 points to close at just over 3,000. Stocks advanced for Access Financial Services, Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Cream Limited, Derrimon Trading Company, and Fontana Limited. Stocks declined for 1834 Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, Barita Investments, Caribbean Producers, and Consolidated Bakeries. Trading firm were 138 Student Living, 138 Student Living Variable Preference, Carreras Limited, KLE Group, and Lasco Manufacturing. Wigton Wind Farm was the volume leader with just over 10 million units, followed by Sagicor Select Funds with 7.1 million units and Carreras Limited with over 1 million units. And oil rose 1% on Wednesday, gaining support due to signs that OPEC and allied producers will continue to curb supplies in December, a weaker US dollar, and as traders covered short positions ahead of an industry report on US crude inventories. Global benchmark Brent crude rose 1% to $59.34 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude gained 55 cents to settle at $53.36. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. Pleasant viewing.